Welcome to this video about Thunderbolt technology. Thunderbolt is a high-speed connection standard developed by Intel in collaboration with Apple. It's a revolutionary interface that combines three capabilities into a single connector: ultra-fast data transfer, video output, and power delivery. Whether you're a content creator, a gamer, or someone who frequently transfers large files, Thunderbolt technology is designed to make your digital life faster and more efficient. Let's explore how Thunderbolt technology has evolved over the years. Thunderbolt was first introduced in 2011 with version 1, offering 10 gigabits per second of data transfer speed. In 2013, Thunderbolt 2 doubled that speed to 20 gigabits per second. Thunderbolt 3, released in 2015, jumped to 40 gigabits per second, which became the standard for many modern devices. Most recently, Thunderbolt 5 was introduced in 2023, achieving an impressive 80 gigabits per second. This continuous evolution shows how Thunderbolt has kept pace with our growing need for faster data transfer and connectivity. Thunderbolt technology serves many practical purposes in today's computing world. For external storage, Thunderbolt enables lightning-fast connection to solid-state drives and hard drives for quick backups. In display connectivity, you can connect multiple 4K or 5K monitors through a single port. Gaming and graphics professionals use external GPUs for enhanced performance. Thunderbolt also provides fast laptop charging with up to 100 watts of power delivery. Audio professionals use Thunderbolt audio interfaces for crystal-clear recording and streaming. Video producers rely on capture cards and real-time video transfer for content creation workflows. Understanding the technical specs helps explain why Thunderbolt is so powerful. Thunderbolt 4 delivers 40 gigabits per second of data transfer speed. It can deliver up to 100 watts of power, meaning you can fully charge most laptops through the same cable. For video output, it supports dual 4K displays at 60 frames per second, or even a single 8K display. You can daisy-chain up to 6 devices per port, meaning multiple devices can connect through one cable without a hub. The connector itself uses the USB-C standard, which is small and reversible. Cables come in 3-meter electrical versions or longer optical versions up to 60 meters. Thunderbolt offers several compelling advantages. The ultra-fast speed of 40 gigabits per second makes file transfers incredibly quick, whether you're working with video files or large datasets. The unified connector is a game-changer, combining power, data, and video into one port, which reduces cable clutter on your desk. Daisy chaining allows you to connect multiple devices in sequence, simplifying your setup and reducing the number of ports you need. The versatility is remarkable, as Thunderbolt supports multiple protocols, meaning it works with many different types of accessories and devices, making it a truly universal solution. You might wonder what's different between Thunderbolt 3 and Thunderbolt 4. Interestingly, both versions offer the same 40 gigabits per second bandwidth. Thunderbolt 3 was released in 2015, while Thunderbolt 4 came out in 2020. The key difference is that Thunderbolt 4 includes enhanced security features and stricter certification requirements, ensuring better device compatibility and security. In practical terms, both deliver the same speed and capabilities, but Thunderbolt 4 provides better assurance of quality and reliability across different devices and manufacturers. Thunderbolt technology is becoming increasingly popular across many device categories. Modern laptops and desktops from manufacturers like Apple, Dell, HP, and Lenovo now include Thunderbolt ports. 4K and 5K monitors specifically designed for Thunderbolt offer integrated connectivity and often include docking functionality. External storage solutions like solid-state drives and portable hard drives use Thunderbolt for maximum speed. Gaming enthusiasts can connect external graphics processing units through Thunderbolt eGPU boxes for enhanced gaming performance. Professional audio interfaces use Thunderbolt for latency-free recording and playback. Video production equipment like capture cards and streaming devices rely on Thunderbolt for real-time data transfer. Looking forward, Thunderbolt technology continues to advance. Thunderbolt 5, the latest generation, doubles the bandwidth to 80 gigabits per second. It supports dual 6K displays at 60 frames per second, opening new possibilities for creative professionals. Thunderbolt 5 brings enhanced support for artificial intelligence applications and data-intensive tasks. The technology remains backward compatible with earlier versions, so your existing Thunderbolt devices will work with new systems. Market analysts predict an 18.1% annual compound growth rate for Thunderbolt devices, driven by adoption in artificial intelligence, data centers, and broader device ecosystems. As Thunderbolt becomes more integrated into enterprise solutions, we can expect even wider adoption and more innovative accessories in the coming years.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.